Alright, it's recording. Now if you miss at this range with the scope, that means you suck.
Sure. Yeah.
Turn off the safety and cock the thing once. Having difficulties here? What's good? How's it stuck before you even shot? Alright, I'm gonna pause this then.